everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing lemon olive oil cake. It's absolutely delicious and full of lemon flavor. I can't wait to share it with you, so let's get started. I'm going to start this recipe by adding 1 cup of sugar, 2 large eggs, the zest of 2 lemons. When zesting your lemon, try not to get any of the white portion of the skin. That can be bitter, so you just want to get the yellow skin. Mix this on a medium to high speed until it all comes together and becomes light and fluffy, and it's going to pale in color. Then slowly start adding 3/4 of a cup of high quality extra virgin olive oil. Very slowly add it in while you're mixing. You don't want to dump it in because it might split your batter. So just add it very slowly, mix it on high, and get it nice and incorporated. We're going to add 1½ cups plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons of lemon extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to mix this together until it's just combined. You're going to be careful not to overmix. And look how nice that batter is. I've got a cute little pan here I'm going to bake my cake in. I love this pan, it's so pretty. I'm going to spray this with a little bit of pan spray. I do also suggest you line the bottom with a little bit of parchment paper just to make sure that it doesn't stick. It evens itself out and levels pretty darn good for a cake that's this thick. I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees and I'm going to bake this for 40 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. And look at how it turned out. Absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. And if you'd like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.